Welcome to our tutorial on how to buy in the pre-market using Etrade. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process. First, make sure you have an Etrade account. If you do not have one, you will need to sign up and complete the necessary verification to start trading. Once you are logged into your Etrade account, navigate to the trading platform. Look for the section labeled Quotes or Trade. To access pre-market trading, ensure you enable this feature in your account settings if it is not already set up. Pre-market trading typically occurs from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, so keep that in mind when planning your trades. Next, search for the stock you wish to buy. You can do this by entering the ticker symbol into the search bar. Once you have located the stock, click on it to view its detailed information. You will see options to place buy orders. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase and select your order type. You can choose from market orders or limit orders depending on your trading strategy. Before finalizing your purchase, review the order details, including the total cost. If everything looks good, go ahead and submit your order. Once your order is placed, you will receive confirmation and you can monitor its status in your account. If you have further questions, Etrade provides resources and customer support to assist you. Happy trading!